Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Renken. This is part 2 of telling time. We had gotten cut off on our last problem here, so I'm going to redo that one for us. If you look here, remember when we're telling time, there's 2 parts. The first one is telling time to the nearest hour, and then telling time to the nearest minute. So it shows on here that we are supposed to show 7:50. So I know that 50 minutes after the hour is more than halfway, because that's 30 minutes. So that my 7, when I'm putting it on here for my hour, is going to be closer to my 8, because 7:50 is closer to 8 o'clock. So it's going to be more than halfway between the 7 and 8. When I say 50 minutes past the hour, I have my 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So when I'm posting my minute hand, I'm going to put that on my 10. So that shows 50 minutes past the hour. Okay? All right, what I would like you to do right now is practice with the parents. So I want you to do these 3 problems on your own, and then have mom and dad check it over with you to make sure you're understanding how to count by 5s, how to document your hours and your minutes before you proceed on to the next few pages of independent work. Once you have those right, I want you to go to the next few pages. I went ahead and put text boxes in here so that you don't have to create those yourself. You're going to go ahead and solve the 6 clock times up here. Tell me how many minutes and how many minutes and what the hour is. You may go back up here if you need to on your first time screen poster if you need help. That's just fine. You may do that. So you're going to finish these 6 problems. On the next page are 3 more problems I would like you to do. And then if you'd like to continue on to practice a little bit more, I gave you an additional page to work on. And also I went ahead and linked activities on Seesaw. If you'd like to go to that right now, you may, or you can wait later and come back to it. There are several different time activities on there for you to do. If you have any questions, you can email Mrs. Renken. You can text me on Class Dojo or on Seesaw or on Google Classroom, and I will get back to you. Happy learning, boys and girls.